Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on AlmaLinux 9. First open any web browser, then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Then click on documentation, then click on installing Jenkins. Then select the Linux, then see here the prerequisites. These are the minimum prerequisites and recommended are these. And software requirements, we must have Java. So right click on this Java requirements, open link in new tab, go to here. See, for latest release we must have Java 17 or 21. Okay, open terminal and verify whether we have the Java is there or not. Java hyphen version. See, we don't have Java, so type no. So I am going to download and install Java JDK 21 because the latest release supports 21. Okay, so open new tab, go to oracle.com, then click on products. See here we have the Java, so click on it, then click on download Java. See here I have the Java JDK 21. If you are unable to find, you can click on archives. There you will find all versions. So select JDK 21, then select Linux. Then for AlmaLinux we have to download this RPM package. So click on it. See, download started and its size is 188 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the JDK 21 RPM package. Let us install it. Sudo rpm-ivh. Then give the JDK, give the tab and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Let us verify the Java version, Java hyphen version. See, we have installed Java JDK 21. So prerequisite match, close this one. So this also close this one. Now click on this Red Hat Enterprise Linux and its derivatives. Click on it. See, these are the commands that needs to be executed to install the Jenkins latest stable version. So copy these commands one by one. Copy this one. Control L, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now import this public key. It is done. Now, okay, see, and also I forgot to tell you, see, these are for long-term support release. See, these are LTS support release and these are the commands for the latest weekly release. So we must always install the long-term support releases. Okay. So copy this one, sudo m or dnf upgrade, hit enter. All done. Now install the, see, we have already installed Java, no need to run this command. Then install the Jenkins, sudo dnf or m install Jenkins, hit enter. See, the latest stable release of Jenkins is 2.492. Okay, so type and hit enter. See, installation has been completed. Now see here we have to reload the daemon. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is success. Now verify the status of the Jenkins. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins service is not started and it is disabled. Okay, if you scroll down there you will find the commands to start the Jenkins. See here we have the commands to start the Jenkins. Okay, let us start it. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins, hit enter. We have started. Let us verify the status. See, Jenkins is started 7 seconds ago and it is still disabled. So enable it. Just replace the status with enable. Hit enter. It is done. See, Jenkins is enabled and it is started. Okay. Next step is, see, this we have done. Next we have to connect the Jenkins. So this is the URL. Okay, open new tab, localhost, use the port number 8080. Hit enter. Now we have to provide the initial admin password. You can get it from here also. If you check the Jenkins status, see this is the password. See this is the password, or Q to quit. Then go to this path, this file. There you will find the same sudo more. Then paste that path. Hit enter. See this password, both are same. So copy either of them. Copy it. Then paste it. Then click on continue. Then not now. Now we have to customize the Jenkins. So install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. Either is fine. So I am going to install suggested plugins. So click on it. See, plugins installation has been started. This may take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now we have to create first admin user. So I am giving username as administrator. Then provide the password. Remember this password which is required to connect to Jenkins. Then username, name also I am giving same administrator. Provide any email. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL which is used to connect to Jenkins. So click on save and finish. Now start using Jenkins. See, we got the Jenkins dashboard. See, here we have the options like new item, build history, manage Jenkins, etc. And if you want to create a job, you have to click on here. If you want to set up an agent, see, you have different options. Okay. So if you want to see the manage Jenkins, go to manage Jenkins option. See, here we have the number of options like plugins, nodes, appearance, system, security, etc. Suppose if you want to change the password of this user, just click on this user. Then click on security, or just click on users, then security. Either is fine. Click on use security. Then here you need to provide the new password. Then you have to click on save. Okay, this is the way. I am not going to change the password. Okay, again, if you want to go back to dashboard, then manage Jenkins, plugins. If you want to see the available plugins, see here, these are the list of the available plugins. But if you want to see the installed plugins, see, these are the list of the installed plugins. Okay. The same way, if you want to configure node, just click on nodes. Then you can create the nodes. Okay. See, we have different options. You can go to each option. So if you want to create another user, click on users. Then click on create user. Then you have to provide all these details. Okay. It is up to you. And the last option that I am going to show you is go to terminal. Now you see what will happen if you stop the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. If you reload this page, see, unable to connect. Why? Because to connect Jenkins server must be up and running. That's why. Okay. So start it. Hit enter. Now reload. See, now we are able to connect. Also verify the status. See, Jenkins is restarted 7 seconds ago. We took it. Now connect to Jenkins. See, we have successfully logged in. Okay. Until now we have connected Jenkins by using localhost. We can also connect with IP of the machine. So first get the IP ifconfig. See, this is the IP. So copy this IP. Then paste here. Then give the port number 8080. Hit enter. See, you got the Jenkins login console. Even you can give the loopback IP 127.0.0.1. Then port number 8080. Because why I am giving loopback? Because Jenkins is installed on this PC. Hit enter. So you got the same console. You can give the same username and password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. So this is the way to connect. The last option, Jenkins version. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.492. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on AlmaLinux 9 versions. Okay, for more Jenkins tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.